Have you ever thought of starting your own business, but got stuck at just one thing, making a website? You have the idea, you have the vision, but the moment you think about design, layout, and responsiveness, everything suddenly feels complicated. What if you could build a complete startup website in just 2 minutes? Welcome to day 8 of 10 days, 10 websites with AI, and today I'm showing you a fully ready to use website template that saves you time. We have a clean modern NAVBAR with smooth curves that instantly gives the site a premium feel. As we scroll down, we reach the About section. On one side, you will see simple headings, short paragraphs, and bullet points that explain the brand clearly. On the other side, that's a custom image that adds personality and balance to the layout. Next comes the services section. Here, we use simple service cards. Each card shows one service, an icon at the top, a title, and a short description below it. To make the website feel more real and trustworthy, we have added an interactive map. You can zoom in, zoom out, and explore the location easily. Then comes the contact section. This is a real working contact form, so visitors can actually reach out, which is the most important part of any startup website. At the bottom, we have a clean footer with attractive social media icons like Instagram and LinkedIn. Now let's talk about something very important, responsiveness. This website is fully ready for mobile, tablet, and desktop. Watch how the content automatically adjusts as I change the screen size. See how the layout smoothly shifts from 3 cards to 2 and then to 1. Notice how the text in the About section moves below the image on smaller screens without breaking the design. That's it for day 8. I'll see you in day 9 of the series. Until then, keep building.